Regards tutor, I am Wilson. I am studying foreign language acquisition and learning at the University of NAT. I am from Popayán, but now living in Pitalito City. I am happy to be here when you. In this moment, I will talk about the course learning purpose in the foreign. Strengthen foreign language linguistics, sociolinguistics, and pragmatic competence through the accomplishment and oral production tasks in given set of runtimes, interaction to communicate in discourse, effectivity about complex useful. The question number 1, what is the purpose of the course? Demonstrated or skills to express fluently and spontaneously about different cultural subjects for social or academic purpose. How many learning outcomes can you find the syllabus? Discuss about controversial issues using proof or the argument to convince and the counterparts towards a specific point of view. What are synchronic interaction activities? Interpret extensive speech even when it is not clearly structured and the word relationships are only in place and the not signaled explicit. How many activities does the course have? I remember six activities. Reflection, in my opinion, study a foreign language, such as English in the chance to achieve this goal successful in the second language acquisition in a number of the things that we associate with language study, for example, with the exception of the some natural language learning students. Thus, who are successful in language study usually plan their study in the advance in review their progress along the way, adjusting in their growth, take look at the language. They look at the language learning not only something that's in accomplishing in the classroom during a particular course, but listen for the activity if no comment and as learning that can be working in many places, even or you over. This is my reflection. This is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I am nervous for recording a video. Thank you for your attention.